today I am making a full Haitian comfort plate. Remind me just of home. I am using one of our love gift box for this recipe. This is the one with the Diri Djondjon and the meat seasoning. They are available on a TikTok shop. If you do not want them to buy them as a gift box, you can get them individually or you can buy them as bundle. For the meat, I fully seasoned the meat. We are going to let it cook on the stove, and I am going to use the air fryer for the goat meat. If you want, you can use oil. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be all the same. For the rice, I sauteed the beans, fried the beans, added the Diri Djondjon. Then I'm going to add some water, scotch bonnet pepper, and coconut milk. Then I check on the meat real quick, and we are going to put it in the air fryer. I added the rice. We are going to let it cook. For the sauce, I used the same juice that the meat was cooked in, added onion, and we let it simmer. And I fried some plantain as well. And this is the final recipe. This came out so delicious. Look how rich and dark the rice is. As I mentioned, if you do not want the rice to be too dark, use less Djondjon, or if you want it to be darker, just use more. This came out super delicious. I'm telling you, with all the seasoning right at your fingertip, you can make wonderful dish just like this. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our TikTok shop.